Hello friends, good morning. So in this video, we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and Sensex coming week analysis. Next week we'll have only 4 trading sessions, 15th August being trading holiday, and we will react to the report of Hindenburg which has come. Um, Now one thing which I wanted to tell you is, see, markets are driven by earnings, by the fundamentals of any company. We had ILFS scam, Satyam scam, and the markets, I mean, the stocks which didn't move or which were not having fundamentals, they went down. So, I mean, we cannot bring the markets can never go down. Markets run through cycles. I mean, last week also we have seen because the yen carry trade market has seen a big decline, but eventually it went up. So obviously, a lot of retail money got invested and it has been there. And if you're not disciplined, you're going to lose money, whether you're derivatives, equity trader. So what I would advise you instead of, I mean, these are just news. I mean, market can give you a movement of 1 or 2 days, but eventually the earnings, the fundamentals, the GAN and astro cycles will catch up. So no point of, invoking nationalism, when it comes to stock market because of the simple reason markets are driven by earning and everyone who comes here, I mean, they want to make money, but you need to have a certain skill set to make money. Just because some institution has given a report, there are so many downgrades which happen for a stock, we don't cry over them. So if the stocks are not performing, obviously it will come down. If fundamentals are good, even if there is a dip, it will get bought into. So I mean, there is no point of commenting on that report because we are not legal experts, and anything can happen. The markets will come down. I mean, that's part of the cycle. If they go up, they have to come down. But eventually, you need to make sure that things happen at the right pace. You are able to take your trades based on your strategy. That will only matter. Otherwise, you're bound to lose money in the markets. So, what is happening for Nifty is Nifty after last week of big decline. So, if you see here on the weekly chart, we formed kind of doji can hammer kind of pattern, and on weekly we are trading. Sorry, on daily we are trading below 20-day and between 50-day. So if we go above here 24,554, which is eventually a 50% point also, 24,486, so 24,500, if we start sustaining above it, then we can see an upward rally. Otherwise this gap still remains like an exhaustion gap, and if we are not able to break it, then eventually in this week we should break this particular low, because this week I think on 13th we have this inflation data from US. Yeah, every Tuesday we get it, second Tuesday of the month, both for India and US, and let's see how the market reacts, because that will decide the Fed rate cut also, and eventually the course of action in markets also. So, so this is one thing which we are seeing. Second thing which we are seeing is, if you see this chart, price is not able to cross these two red lines. Now, these two red lines are very important. One is Gann circle level and one is Gann static level. So, if it is not able 24,389 to 24,448, and your 50% point is coming at 24,446, and the moving average is coming at 24,554. So this range will remain very dicey. So from 24 400 to 20, this 150 points range is very very dicey range. Market has to close about 24 550, for this correction to get over. And if it is unable to do so, then probably it should come down all the way towards 24,000 one more time, right, to test it, because bottoms are made when we see a lot of volatility in the market. Like you have seen, the election dip got bought into, I mean, the fall was big and it got bought into very quickly. Then we have the budget day dip, which got bought into within 2 hours. But this dip, which we are seeing, we are still not able to come to that high of 25,078, which we have seen here. So it says that the buying pressure has been declining. So the bounce backs are not so sharp now. And let's see, this week will be deciding week, because 13th is a very very important astro date also. So this is one thing. Now let's see what other technicals are saying. Let me quickly go to that neural forecast first. So neural forecast is showing we can see a decline rally on 13th. After 13th, it is showing a very sharp dip. This is for Nifty. This is for Sensex. Again, it showed a dip. Sensex, it showed that we might have made a top on 9 and we should see a decline till 13th, a small up move and then a big fall. And if you see about Bank Nifty, again it is showing that the dip can continue all the way towards 18. This is what it is showing. All three are coming in the same direction. And if we see, Fin Nifty is forming a kind of shark pattern. So if this low is held, which is the Monday's low, we can see a rally till here. And on weekly chart, Fin Nifty again hammer formation monthly, nothing major after a doji. It is still not able to breach this high. So this doji low is basically, this candle's low is basically 22,866. If it starts going below it, then you can see a sharp reversal on downside. When it comes to Nifty, mm, see lit wave pattern till this low is held, we can see a rally till here. And primary again, it is forming a shark pattern. So if Monday's low is breached, then the downfall can continue on weekly kind of hammer pattern, monthly nothing major. Yeah, one important thing on monthly is we are forming open equal to high. So like I've told you, 25078 will be an important level to be watched out for, and we have already formed an outside bar because it has been last month so low also. An outside bar generally we see near the important reversal point. And Bank Nifty also, kind of ABCD pattern, and 49,230 is important target for this ABCD pattern. Weekly exactly bounce from the lows, and monthly nothing major. Again, nothing major, just within that range. So this is a 5 weeks expiry, so this is going to be an exciting one. And I've shown you the neural forecast also. And nothing major because most of the astro date is coming after 13. So today, I mean, you have to just follow the levels which I've mentioned here. The Bank Nifty trend deciding level is 53.27, Nifty is 24.312, Finance is 22.980, and Sensex is 79.634. And from Bank Nifty perspective, let's quickly see what it is showing. Bank Nifty is looking more weaker than Nifty, again because it is trading below about 20 and 50-day moving averages, and still it is not able to breach this Monday's high also, right? So if it is not able to breach again, it can keep rotating within this range. And for Bank Nifty, the big trade will come somewhere around uh, 51,000. Above 51,000 we can confirm the bottom is done. And if it breaks this level, 49,717, then just make a note of this level. Then we can see a quick fall towards 49,209 and 48,807. Just keep an eye on 49,717, like 1,000 points away from this. But as and when it gets breached during August expiry, it is very, very important because this is the 50% of this whole up move. And Finance Nifty, again, it is showing the same thing what Nifty was showing. Sorry, what Bank Nifty showing, looking bit weaker as compared to Nifty. And 50%, see exactly turn from 50%, 23,083. So keep an eye on this level today. If this is breached, and on downside 22,252. If 22,700 gets breached. So these are the levels. Again, follow your plan, not what you, me, or Hindenburg report is saying that the institution is compromised. We don't know what is the truth. Our main goal is we should have less corruption in the system, whether it is Adani, whether it is Hindenburg, or if everything is fine, we are quite good. If things are not well, that needs to be corrected because this is good for the country, for the economy, and even for the stock markets. Again, remember, stock markets are driven by earnings, so don't focus on and if earnings are good, obviously, fundamentals are good. The fundamentals plus technicals are good. The markets are bound to rally. So yeah, that's about it in this video. And be disciplined, keep an eye on your position size, and things will be good for you in the coming week. Thank you.